Fishbone stitch is a simple overlapping stitch which creates a very natural effect. It can be used for petals, pine cones or even trees. Most of all though, it's brilliant for leaves. An outline can be useful to help this stitch keep its shape. Bring your needle up at the top of the pattern and make a small vertical stitch in the centre of the leaf. Bring the needle up at the top again, either to the right or left of the central stitch, depending on how you want to work. Cross the thread over the central stitch and take the needle down next to it, diagonally from where you came up. Bring the needle up at the top again. I started on the left-hand side, so now I'm stitching from the right. Cross the thread over the midpoint again to overlap your previous stitch. Repeat the process again to fill the leaf shape with diagonal stitches which overlap in the centre. You can choose whether to keep the stitches close together or open them out to emphasise the staggering effect. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another stitch tutorial soon. If you'd like to see more tutorials, I have a Stitch Library playlist here. Bye for now.